Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin practice at 10.2 on textbook page number 66. Divide and write the quotient and the remainder. In this practice set, we are going to study to divide a polynomial by a binomial. First one, y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. First you have to arrange y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. When you are dividing, first you have to take the single term and then you have to divide. In divisor, binomial is there. Okay, one is number with variable and other is number without variable. But in dividend, first term is only variable is there. So when you are dividing, only you have to divide number with variable by variable and variable by variable. Okay, first single term take y square upon y you have to divide. This division is different as compared to practice at 10.1. Little difference is there. In this division, when you are dividing, you have to divide only by variable if you have the number with variable. Y square upon y is equal to y into y upon y. Y get cancelled. So what will remain? Y will remain. After dividing first term by the variable y, you get the quotient y. Okay, so on quotient place you have to write here, that is y. Now you have to multiply y into y plus 4. You have to write in multiplication form now. Y into, in bracket, y plus 4. You have to use the formula a into b plus c, that is a into b plus a into c. Okay, so the answer is a into b is ab plus a into c is ac. This we already studied formula. Okay, so now according to this formula you have to multiply this now. Y into y means y square plus y into 4 means 4y. Okay, after solving a into b plus c form, you are getting the answer y square plus 4y. This y square plus 4y you have to write in this place. In division of polynomials, you have to arrange it vertically if like terms are same. Okay, this y square you have to write it here and plus 4y which is there here you have to write in this place. Okay, number with variable y is 10y and 4y, so that's why 4y you have to write in this place and y square this place you have to write, that is plus y square plus 4y. Plus become minus, and here also this plus also become minus. Y square minus y square, you get the answer 0. Cancel it. Okay, 10y minus 4y, minus into plus is minus. Okay, so you have to subtract 10y minus 4y, how much is getting? Plus 6y, that is 0 plus 6y. Then now plus 24 you have to bring it down. Okay, now you have to divide 6y by y. Okay, because when you divide 6y by the variable y, you will get the quotient, and after getting the quotient again you have to multiply y plus 4. 6y upon y is equal to 6 into y upon y. Y get cancelled, so what will remain? 6. Okay, now 6 which you got here of second term which you divided 6y by y, you have to write the quotient here, that is plus 6. Now plus 6 you have to write multiplication form y plus 4. First term which you divided here by the variable y and the quotient which you got, you wrote the multiplication form y into y plus 4. Now the second question which you got is 6. Now this 6 you have to write multiplication form y plus 4, that is a into b plus c form. 6 into y plus 4. Now you have to solve by using the formula of a into b plus c. 6 into y is 6y plus 6 4s are 24, that is 6y plus 24. 6y plus 24 already is here. This 6y plus 24 which I solved is of a into b plus c. Now you have to arrange it vertically, which is already here. Okay, plus 6y plus 24. Like terms which are same, that you have to arrange it vertically. Okay, plus become minus, and here also plus become minus. Okay, 6y minus 6y, you get the answer 0, so cancel it. 24 minus 24 also, you get the answer 0, so 24 minus 24 also you have to cancel. Okay, remainder is 0. Quotient and remainder you have to write. Quotient is y plus 6, remainder is 0. Next, p square plus 7p minus pi divided by p plus 3. First, arrange the division of polynomials by a binomial. P square plus 7p minus pi divided by p plus 3. You have to divide only the variable. Okay, p square divided by p only you have to take in binomial term of divisor. P square upon p is equal to p into p upon p. P get cancelled, so what will remain? P. Okay, this p you have to write in quotient place now. Now you have to multiply p into p plus 3. Use the formula of a into b plus c. Okay, p into p is p square plus p into 3 means 3p. Okay, p square plus 3p you have to write in this place. Like terms which are same, that place you have to write. P square you have to write this place, and 3p you have to write in this place. Number with variable p, you have to arrange it vertically here. Plus p square plus 3p, plus become minus. Here also plus become minus. Okay, p square minus p square get cancelled because p square minus p square is 0. Okay, 7p minus 3p you have to subtract now. How much getting? 4p. So plus 4p. Okay, minus pi you have to bring it down now. Now you have to divide 4p by p. Remember that to divide a polynomial by a binomial, you always have to divide by variable of binomial on divisor. Okay, now you have to divide 4p by p. 4p upon p is equal to 4 into p upon p. P get cancelled, so what will remain? 4. So second quotient you got what? After dividing second term, you are getting second quotient plus 4. So this place you have to write, that is plus 4. Now you have to multiply 4 into p plus 3. In first term, after dividing variable by variable, how you are getting the quotient here, first one, and then you multiply p into p plus 3. Even when you divide second term by variable, same method you have to follow. Now you have to multiply 4 into p plus 3. Use the formula of a into b plus c and then solve it. 4 into p is 4p plus 4 3s are 12, that is 4p plus 12. Okay, 4p plus 12 you have to write this place now. 4p you have to write it here, and plus 12 you have to write this place. Like terms which are same, you have to arrange it vertically. Plus 4p plus 12. Now you have to take opposite sign. Plus become minus, and here also plus become minus. Okay, 4p minus 4p you have to cancel, because 4p minus 4p you are getting the answer 0. Okay, now you have to add this minus 12 minus 5. The sign which you took here opposite, that only sign you have to use. Minus 5 and minus 12 you have to add, because minus into minus is plus. 12 plus 5 is 17. Greater number which sign is there? Negative. So the remainder is negative, minus 17. Quotient is p plus 4, remainder is minus 17. Now we will do third sum directly after teaching first and second sum. Third one is 3x plus 2x square plus 4x cube divided by x minus 4. In these three terms, which is the greatest index? X cube. Okay, then after that x square is greater, then last is x. You have to arrange this in descending order from bigger to smaller. Okay, this we have tried. 4x cube, this will come first, plus 2x square, and 3x square you have to arrange it last. This way you have to arrange in descending order of this term. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by x minus 4. We will arrange the division of polynomials by a binomial. 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by x minus 4. First term is 4x cube. You have to divide 4x cube by x. Okay, 4x cube upon x, write multiplication form. 4 into x into x into x upon x. X get cancelled. So what will remain? 4 into x into x. 4 into x into x is 4x square. After dividing first term by variable x, you are getting the quotient 4x square. So write it here. Now you have to multiply 4x square into x minus 4. Okay, use the formula of a into b plus c. 4x square into x is 4x cube. Then here which sign is there? Minus. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 4x square into 4 means 16x square. So now you have to arrange here vertically 4x cube minus 16x square here. That is plus 4x cube minus 16x square. Take the opposite sign now. Here minus is there, minus become plus. Okay, 4x cube minus 4x cube you have to cancel, because answer is getting 0. Now you have to add 16x square plus 2x square. What will come? Plus 18x square plus 3x, you have to bring it down. Now you have to divide 18x square by variable x to get the second quotient of second term. 18x square upon x, that is equal to 18 into x upon x. X get cancelled. So what will remain? 18 into x is 18x. So second quotient I got plus 18x. Okay, now you have to multiply 18x into x minus 4 by using the formula of a into b plus c. Multiply this 18x into x, how much? 18x square minus 18x into 4 is 72x. 18 4s are 72. Okay, 18x square minus 72x, write it here. Like terms which are same, which you have the same variable, there only place you have to write, but you have to write it vertically. So plus 18x square minus 72x. Now take the opposite sign. Okay, plus become minus. Here minus will become plus. Okay, 18x square minus 18x square get cancelled. You have to add 72x plus 3x. The sign which you change here, opposite sign which you took, that only sign you have to use. Okay, so add the 72x plus 3x. 75x Okay, 75x which you got here, you have to still divide by variable x, because number 75 is already there with variable x, so that's why you have to divide. 75x upon x is equal to 75 into x upon x. X get cancelled, so what will remain? 75. Now this is the third quotient. Okay, third quotient you have to write it here, that is plus 75. Now again you have to take multiplication form by using the formula of a into b plus c. 75 into x minus 4. 75 into x is 75x minus, you have to multiply 75 into 4. Okay, 75 into 4, I am getting 300, but you have to still check your multiplication. Okay, so plus 75x, you have to write it down, and minus 300, you don't have number without variable here. Okay, if you don't have in this division of polynomials of number without variable, you have to write it here. So you have to write this way, plus 75x minus 300. Okay, this one plus become minus, and I cancelled also because here there is no place. Here I took minus sign. Okay, and then after that minus sign which is there here, I have taken opposite sign plus over here. 75x minus 75x, you are getting the remainder 0. So what will remain here? Plus 300. So quotient you have to write now. Quotient is equal to 4x square plus 18x plus 75. Remainder is 0. Next, 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 divided by 2m minus 1. Arrange in division form. You have to take the single term, then you divide by 2m in binomial term. 2m cube upon 2m is equal to 2 into m into m into m upon 2 into m. 2 get cancelled, m get cancelled, so what will remain? M square. After dividing first term by 2m, you are getting the quotient m square. So this quotient you have to write it here, and then you have to multiply this m square into 2m minus 1 by using the formula of a into b plus c. M square into 2m minus 1. First multiply this one. Okay, m square into 2m, how much is getting? 2m cube. Here which sign is there? Minus. Then m square, 1s are m square. Any number multiplying by 1 is the same number. Okay, this 2m cube minus m square, you have to write it here where like terms are same. That is plus 2m cube minus m square. You have to take the opposite sign. Plus become minus, and here minus become plus. Okay, 2m cube minus 2m cube, cancel it because you are getting the remainder 0. You have to add this plus m square plus m square. Plus m square is how much? Plus 2m square. Plus m plus 9, you have to bring it down. Now you have to divide 2m square by 2m. 2m square upon 2m is equal to 2 into m upon 2 into m. 2 get cancelled, m get cancelled. So what will remain? M. After dividing second term by 2m, you are getting the quotient m. So this quotient m, you have to write it here. That is plus m. Now you have to multiply m into 2m minus 1. Use the formula of A into B plus C. First multiply this, m into 2m. How much is getting? 2m square. Here which sign is there? Minus. M ones are m, that is minus m. 2m square minus m, you have to write it here, where like terms are same. That is plus 2m square minus m. Now take the opposite sign. Plus become minus, and here minus become plus. Okay, 2m square minus 2m square, cancel it because you are getting the remainder 0. Now you have to add this, m plus m, 2m, that is plus 2m, plus 9, you have to bring it down. Now you have to divide 2m by 2m. This 2m is the third term. 2m upon 2m is equal to 2 into m upon 2 into m. Cancel both 2 and m on numerator and denominator. If you cancel it all on numerator and denominator, answer will be 1. After dividing third term by 2m, you are getting the quotient 1. So the plus 1 you have to write it here. Now you have to multiply 1 into 2m minus 1 and use the formula A into B plus C. Any number multiplying by 1 is the same answer. If you multiply this, 2m minus 1, ones are 2m minus 1. So this 2m minus 1, you have to write it here, like terms which are same. Plus 2m minus 1, take opposite sign. Plus become minus, minus become plus. Cancel 2m minus 2m and then write remainder 0. 9 plus 1 is plus 10. Then write quotient and remainder. Quotient is m square plus m plus 1. Remainder is 10. Practice at 10.2. Question number 5th, 6th, 7th. We will continue on next part.